What do you do when your thumbnail doesn't make sense? I don't think this thumbnail works. What do you think? My name's Craig and this is Morningstar Better Thumbnails, where we don't make great thumbnails, we just make them better. I made this thumbnail trying to show how to make a profile picture with using Pixlr and its great program Photo Smash. To fix this, we're going to use Pixlr E. It's not an affiliate, but it's so powerful. It's better than those other programs. Sorry, Canva. Well, to start with, it needs to show making a profile picture and applying it to a channel and how easy it is to make. So I made a fake channel webpage, positioned everything because position is everything. And I put it in 3D space to make it look like that's where I am. And now with everything in place, I tried to make it look like, well, I was holding the profile picture, but it failed miserably. Time to cut out. How about some dad jokes? Oh, I'm on. I'm afraid for the calendar. Its days are numbered. Oh, maybe not. Dear math, grow up and solve your own problems. How does Moses make his coffee? He brews it. I was addicted to the hokey pokey, but I turned myself around. All right, that's it. I might do that again. And now we get so much control with background color, with shadow. Oh, that looks so much better. I made a mistake. Can you see it? It's technically not bad, but now it has too many elements. But where do you focus? You only get a split second. So I changed it up. What do you think of this one? Go do something awesome for God, and I'll catch you in the next one. Why are elevator jokes so good? They work on so many different levels.